So in this video we'll be learning how to do a 4-figure grid reference. Now this is a really important geographical skill that our children learn in Key Stage 1. So let's have a go at it. So you can see here I've created a very simple map using symbols from the Ordnance Survey map series. Now the map has a grid over the top of it and the grid lines are labelled with 2-digit numbers. You can also see that there are 4 symbols on the map and the key at the bottom will help you to work out what the symbols mean. Each symbol is in a different grid square. Now we can use the numbers of the grid lines to give a 4-figure grid reference to say where each of the symbols appears on the map, basically to give their location. Now you can also see that I've included steps to success. Now if you work your way through each step you'll be able to give a 4-figure grid reference location. So let's have a try at working through that together. So the first step says to find the bottom left hand corner of the grid square that the symbol that we're trying to locate is in. So in this case we're trying to find the 4-figure grid reference for the golf course. Can you find the symbol for the golf course on the map? Here it is. So we need to find the bottom left hand corner of the square. Now a good way to find this is to make the letter L with your left hand and to put that on top of the grid square like this. And this is the corner, this is the bottom left hand corner of the grid square. So that's a really easy way to locate the grid square corner that you want to use to find the location. So next we have to go along the corridor in step 2. And we do that to find the number for the line that goes through this corner, like this. Now watch Shorty as he moves along the corridor to find the number. So the first 2 digits of our 4-figure grid reference are 1 and 3. Okay, now let's move on to the next step, step 3. So step 3 says to go up the stairs to find the line that goes through the bottom left hand corner of the grid square again and to read the final 2 numbers. So here's the line. Now watch Shorty again go up to find the last 2 numbers. There we go. So the final 2 numbers are 2 and 2. So following the steps we have found the 4-figure grid reference for the golf course. 1, 3, 2, 2. Now, do you think you can try and find the 4-figure grid references for the other map symbols? Why not pause the video here and have a try? If you need to go back and watch the steps again, that's fine. Do it as often as you want. Remember to use the steps. Find the bottom left corner of the grid square that the symbol is in. Step 2, go along the corridor to find the line that goes through the corner, the left hand bottom corner of the grid square. And then step 3, go up the stairs to find the number of the other line that goes through the corner. And then you can write those 4-figure grid reference numbers on a piece of paper to check at the end. Good luck! So, how did you get on? Did you get the hang of it? Well, don't forget, at any point you can go back and replay this video again and practice. So that's it for me for now, and I will see you next time for more geography shorts. Bye!